Hi there, so I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate Wild Knight Espresso Martini using a DIY kit, i.e. no bar equipment at all, stuff that you've got at home everywhere, using Wild Knight Ultra Premium English Vodka, Wild Knight Espresso Martini Spirit Drink, and just to add sweetness and a little bit of flavour, Nelson's Gold Caramel English Vodka Spirit Drink as well. First of all, I've used a coffee jar before, but this time I'm going to use a water bottle. I filled that with ice as well. I haven't got a spirit measure with me today, so I'm just going to use measuring spoons. First off, normally do 25 mils. This one's 15 mils, so I'm going to do 2 of these of the Wild Knight Ultra Premium English Vodka. Pop that in. Next up, again, because it's 50 mils, we're going to do 30 mils. Normally I'd do 25 of the Wild Knight Espresso Martini. Then for the sweetness, you can use vanilla syrup, you can add sugar or a simple syrup, but I'm going to use about, say, 15 mils caramel liqueur, and then probably another 5-10 mils as well. Pop that in there. Now, for those who haven't got an espresso machine at home, all I've done is make using instant coffee. What I normally do is put the full amounts that you'd normally make into a full mug. I've made about 1/4 to 1/3 of a mug using the same amount of coffee. I'm going to pour that straight in as well. Screw the lid on tight and give it a good hard shake. You want to see it go foamy and creamy in the cocktail shaker. So here we go. There we go. Got huge amounts of cream in there already. Probably found my favourite cocktail shaker now, using a water bottle. And then I haven't got a cocktail strainer, so I've got a sieve, an old sieve, which catch most of the ice in, and you literally just want to pour slowly into the martini glass. So it's full to the top. There we go. Got really good cream on that. That's what you want to see. That's what you're looking for when you're shaking. Make sure it's got really good cream on top. Pop that to the side. Last off, garnish. I used instant coffee today, so I'm literally going to sprinkle some instant coffee just over the top, just to add the garnish on there. There we go. There we have it. The DIY, very foamy and good creme ultimate espresso martini. Cheers.